Hi, I'm Kelly Reitz. I'm a licensed real estate agent here in the state of Arizona and the newest member of that real estate show team. Every seller wants to sell their home for top dollar and fast, so here's a few tips on how. Depersonalize. Remember, you want that potential buyer to walk in saying, hey, I can see myself living here. Declutter. Make sure all your countertops are cleared off. Make minor repairs. Patch holes in walls, fix leaky faucets. Fix doors that don't close properly and kitchen drawers that jam. Make the house sparkle. Check curb appeal. Make sure when that potential buyer comes to your home that they're wanting to walk in. So make sure your sidewalks are clear and your lawns are mowed. For more information on all things real estate, please join me every Saturday at 3 on KTAR 92.3 FM and at thatrealestateshow.co. Remember, we couldn't afford the M.